Hi folks, it's Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand, and I'm doing a little update here on the weather modification over New Zealand. I actually yesterday, pointed out I made a video showing chemtrails right across this area here, and today it's very interesting because today we got rain here, which was quite odd. Unexpected, with a thunder and lightning storm that came right over Hawke's Bay, and it's still sort of the remnants of it are hanging around. But I wanted to show you this because this is really odd right at the moment. Now, this is on the, and I say this every time just so that anyone new watching this can realise and just to remind. But that this is a visible satellite image. It's put together through several images, but it's photographs taken from satellites. So what you're seeing is exactly how these clouds are formed, and at the time. And at 3 o'clock, what we see here is almost a perfect straight line there, and straight down there and then straight there. Same with this, right? Straight line there, straight line here. But it's this bit of cloud here is very odd, and I'll show you why I say that. Because you see, we've got this sort of rectangular thing going on here too, right? Whether you want to take the rectangle here of no cloud or the rectangle of cloud here, and then going back, that's 2 o'clock. Okay, so it starts from noon, and then if you go forward to 1 o'clock, okay, I don't know if you notice this, I don't know if you see what I see or whatever, but this kind of piece of cloud just stays there, and it's a kind of different color, different intensity from everything else. Now, over here, by the way, we have chemtrails going on here. I don't know, that whole thing is quite, look at those chemtrails there, that's heavy. A lot of chemtrails there. Now, some people don't call them chemtrails because they think that would be upsetting, but I do call them chemtrails because that's what they are, chemicals being dropped. That some people would think it was a conspiracy. Well, I don't give a fuck who thinks it's a conspiracy. It fucking is a conspiracy, actually. So, get used to it. And those people who would worry about what other people think, for fuck's sakes, listen, get real. This is going on. And anyone who would attack me, I could just as easily attack them with the same. It's just they may think what they think. Well, I think what I think. Now, they are the crazy ones. They are the ones with the tinfoil hats that they keep accusing me of wearing, which I don't have one. And funnily enough, they always seem to have all the pictures of them. So I don't know where they're getting their pictures. I don't know where they collect their own hats from. But I sure as hell don't wear one of those stupid frickin' things. And as I pointed out to them, they're made of aluminium now, not tinfoil. I mean, what I'm saying is there is no tinfoil. So anyway, and they still call it tinfoil. Okay. So you see what I'm saying about this? This is quite odd, this bit of cloud there. It's just something about it. It's something there. So anyway, whatever that is, it's hanging around, and it's definitely got some straight lines in there that are just not natural. Right. Okay, well, that's all I wanted to point out. What that is, whether we you know, what comes of that, I don't know. Like maybe something, maybe nothing. But keep in mind that this is where the fault line goes. It comes straight down here, and then it crosses over here and goes down on the Alpine fault, right? But this is where the fault line goes. So, you know, when something like this happens in this area, you know, yeah, sure, I get interested. This is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand. Check me out.